In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a domain on Shopify. We'll walk through the process inside your Shopify admin and make sure you know what each choice means so you can secure a clean, professional web address for your store. Start by logging into your Shopify admin on desktop. From the dashboard, look to the lower left corner and open Settings. In the Settings menu, select Domains. This is where Shopify manages any web addresses connected to your store and where you'll purchase a new one. To get a new address, choose Buy New Domain. You'll see a search field. Click into the search box and type the name you want customers to remember. Keep it short, brandable, and easy to spell. If you have a specific extension in mind, such as .com, .store, or a country code, adjust that now using the options that appear with your search. When you're ready, hit Search to see what's available and what it costs. Browse the results and pick the option that best fits your brand and budget. You'll typically see the annual price next to each choice, and Shopify includes domain privacy for most extensions, which helps keep your contact details off public records. When you've decided, click the domain you want, then select Buy. You'll land on a confirmation screen. Here you can review the domain name, price, billing period, and contact information. This page also includes the auto-renew every year option. Turn this on if you want Shopify to renew your domain automatically before it expires, so you don't risk downtime or losing your name. If you prefer to handle renewals manually, you can leave it off and set your own reminders. After confirming everything looks correct, click Buy Domain to complete the purchase. Shopify will process the payment using the card on file for your subscription, and your new domain will be added to the domain section. The platform automatically connects DNS records for you, which means the domain will start pointing to your store without extra setup. Propagation can take a little time across the internet, so don't worry if the domain doesn't load everywhere immediately. In the domain section, you'll also see which address is set as your primary storefront URL. Shopify keeps your original store address in the background, but once the new domain is active, shoppers will see it on your site and at checkout. You can manage these settings from the same page whenever you need to. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. Double-check spelling before you buy, since domains are usually non-refundable. Consider securing common variations or additional extensions to protect your brand. And remember that pricing can differ by extension and region. That's it. You've successfully